And we are also following rescue efforts off the coast of Cape Cod. According to Coast Guard estimates, there's potentially less than 24 hours of oxygen supply left on board that missing submersible. A multinational search is now expanding. Madison Scarpino reports.
The U.S. Coast Guard and Canadian forces deploying more assets to join the search for a missing submersible in the Atlantic Ocean. Officials say 3 new vessels arrived on scene Wednesday, including the John Cabot, which has sonar technology capable of detecting objects on the seafloor. Crews now combing an area 2 times the size of Connecticut to locate the Titan sub and its 5 passengers.
The Unified Command Team is working tirelessly to bring all available assets and expertise to bear as quickly as possible in response to this complex operation.
Meanwhile, the Coast Guard says Canadian surveillance aircraft detected underwater noises in the search area for a second day on Wednesday. Naval experts are now analyzing the data, and a remotely operated vehicle has been moved to the spot. But officials say so far, the origin of those sounds is inconclusive.
When we're able to get additional ROVs, which will be there in the morning, the intent will be to continue to search in those areas where the noises were detected, and if they're continuing to be detected, and then put additional ROVs down in the last known position where the search was originally taking place.
Experts fear the sub could be as deep as 12,000 feet below the ocean's surface. Colin Taylor went on the same expedition last summer and described the pressure passengers are facing.
There's no light. It's very, very difficult to communicate with any type of technology through that amount of water.
Based on previous Coast Guard estimates, the people on board would run out of oxygen on Thursday. In Newfoundland, Canada, Madison Scarpino, Fox 32 Chicago.